Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're reviewing the 2026 Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro, a high-performance gaming mouse designed for competitive players who demand speed, precision, and comfort. With lightweight construction, advanced sensors, and ultra-responsive switches, this mouse aims to redefine what gamers expect from their peripherals in 2026. Design and build. The 2026 Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro features an ultralight honeycomb shell that reduces weight while maintaining durability. Weighing in at just around 59 grams, it's built for fast-paced gameplay and effortless flick shots. The ergonomic design caters to claw and fingertip grip styles, ensuring minimal fatigue during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the PTFE glide pads provide smooth and consistent movement across any mouse pad. Sensor and tracking. At the heart of the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro is the latest PixArt sensor, offering up to 20,000 dpi for precise tracking and responsiveness. Whether you're playing first-person shooters, MOBAs, or fast-paced RTS games, the mouse tracks movements accurately with zero jitter. Adjustable DPI settings allow gamers to fine-tune sensitivity on the fly, providing a customized gaming experience tailored to individual playstyles. Switches and responsiveness. The 2026 Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro uses high-quality optical switches rated for up to 80 million clicks, delivering near-instant actuation and minimal debounce. This ensures every click registers instantly, a crucial advantage in competitive gaming where milliseconds matter. The combination of lightweight design and responsive switches makes fast reaction times feel effortless and natural. Connectivity and battery life. This mouse offers both wired and wireless connectivity, making it versatile for different setups. In wireless mode, the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro provides up to 100 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge, thanks to its energy-efficient components. Quick USB-C charging ensures minimal downtime, allowing gamers to jump back into action quickly. Customization and software. The Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro comes with dedicated software that allows full customization of DPI settings, RGB lighting, button mapping, and profiles. Whether you're switching between games or setting macros for complex commands, the software makes configuration simple and intuitive. Gamers can create multiple profiles and save them on the mouse for instant access anywhere. Build quality and durability. Despite its lightweight honeycomb shell, the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro is surprisingly durable. Reinforced internal components, braided cables, and quality PTFE feet ensure longevity, even under intense daily use. The combination of lightweight design and robust build quality makes this mouse an ideal choice for competitive players seeking reliability and performance. Who is it for? The 2026 Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro is perfect for competitive gamers, esports professionals, and enthusiasts who prioritize speed and precision. Its lightweight design, high-precision sensor, and responsive switches make it suitable for FPS, MOBA, and RTS players who need every edge in fast-paced gameplay. Conclusion. The 2026 Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro stands out as a top-tier gaming mouse in 2026. With its ultra-lightweight build, accurate sensor, long-lasting switches, versatile connectivity, and extensive customization, it's a complete package for gamers seeking performance without compromise. For speed, precision, and reliability, this mouse delivers exactly what serious players need.